If your due date is after February 19th, then there's a risk that your child is not going to be a U.S. citizen. Let me explain. Trump's executive order, effective 30 days after he signed it, which was yesterday, says that if you're on a temporary visa or you're undocumented and the father of your child is not a permanent resident or a U.S. citizen, your baby isn't automatically going to be a citizen here. This applies to parents with visitor, student, H-1B, or any other temporary visa. No, this does not apply to children born before the effective date of February 19th, 2025. If your child is born before that, nothing happens. Hospitals will not check your immigration status when your baby is born. Instead, your child's citizenship status will be determined when you register their birth. That's where things like your immigration status will come into play. Most likely, the child will inherit the same immigration status as you and your partner if it's the same. And if it's different, then he or she might get only one of yours. I mean, this is complicated, and we still don't know how this is going to play out. What we can tell you, though, is that it's really important for parents to keep their immigration status up to date. Not really. The 14th Amendment of the Constitution guarantees that anyone born in the U.S. is a U.S. citizen, no matter their parents' immigration status. The ACLU is already challenging this in court, and I'm sure there will be many more lawsuits to follow. But if it moves forward, it could go up all the way to the Supreme Court for a final decision. If you need help with your status, reach out to an immigration lawyer as soon as possible.